From the tropical groves to the high-tech production line, this is the engineering behind the world's favorite crunch. Precision temperature, perfect ratios. This is the science of the perfect bake.
Watch the full breakdown of this mishap operation and subscribe for more.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures quality at every step.
The process begins at the source, where only mature coconuts are harvested to ensure maximum oil and flavor content. Farm-to-factory traceability starts here, ensuring every biscuit can be tracked back to its original grove. Automated dehusking extracts the fruit in seconds, preserving the freshness of the interior meat. Only the pure white kernel is used, ensuring the biscuits maintain their signature light golden color. Human oversight combined with UV technology guarantees a 100% clean raw material.
Freshly desiccated coconut is the soul of the recipe, providing the natural oils and the iconic crunch.
To preserve the natural oils and aroma, the raw ingredients are transported in a strictly controlled environment. Pneumatic transport systems move the ingredients vertically, eliminating human contact and preventing contamination. Bulk storage silos use precision load cells to ensure that every gram of the raw material is accounted for. Starting the fill sequence now. Weight is climbing steadily. Valves are open. Multi-stage sifting and magnetic separation ensure the highest level of purity before the mixing stage. Precision flow meters control the liquid ratio down to the milliliter, the secret to a consistent dough texture. Before a single batch is mixed, the lab must verify the protein and moisture levels of the raw harvest. This massive facility is a temple of modern food science, capable of producing millions of biscuits every single day. Strict security and biometric access ensure that only trained specialists enter the high-care production zone. The battle against contamination begins with a rigorous multi-step sanitation protocol for every employee. Every entry is a fresh start, ensuring that the sterile integrity of the food-grade environment is never compromised. Inside the production hall, automation and human expertise work in perfect, high-speed harmony. The digital brain of the factory takes over, precisely timing the release of raw ingredients into the mixing phase. Before mixing, the base flour is micronized and sifted to ensure a silk-smooth texture for the dough. Advanced magnetic filtration is the first line of defense in the factory's rigorous food safety protocol. Optical sorting technology processes 2,000 flakes per second, ensuring only the whitest meat makes the final cut. Precise moisture levels are critical. Too much water would ruin the biscuit's signature snap. Grinding the sugar into a fine powder allows for instant dissolution and a more uniform sweetness profile. With all materials purified and sorted, the factory is ready for the core transformation stage. The mixing phase is a precise chemistry. The gluten is carefully developed to ensure the biscuit is crunchy, not crumbly.
Liquid coconut oil is injected at high pressure to ensure every single bite carries the intense aroma of the tropics.
Initial sheeting prepares the dough for its journey, aligning the fibers for a uniform bake. Gauge rollers use laser sensors to maintain a constant thickness, ensuring every biscuit in the pack is identical. In a split second, thousands of biscuits are formed, each stamped with the signature branding of the modern factory.
Efficiency is absolute. The excess dough is instantly reclaimed, ensuring a zero-waste manufacturing cycle.
The baking process is a multi-zone science. The temperature is adjusted every 10 meters to ensure the perfect rise and texture.
Convection currents lock in the flavor, caramelizing the coconut flakes to create that signature sweet aroma. Hot and fragile, the biscuits emerges from the heat, now fully transformed from dough into a crunchy delight.
Controlled cooling is vital. If they cool too fast, they crack, too slow, and they lose their crunch.
A final touch of coconut essence is applied, ensuring the fragrance hits the consumer the moment the pack is opened. Safety is the final step of the transformation. Every single biscuit is scanned to meet global food-grade standards. Precision vibration organizes the production flow, prepping millions of units for high-speed mechanical handling. Artificial intelligence and robotics work together, removing imperfections at speeds invisible to the human eye. Stacking technology maximizes space, creating the dense rows required for modern, compact packaging. Laser measurement ensures that every pack contains the exact weight promised to the consumer. Hermetic sealing locks in the toasted coconut aroma, protecting the biscuits from humidity and oxidation. Digital laser coding provides permanent traceability, marking every pack with its unique production DNA. Secondary packaging is fully automated, preparing the individual units for the rigors of global distribution. Hot melt bonding provides a structural seal, ensuring the biscuits remain protected within their bulk casing.
Zero tolerance for error. Even a single missing biscuit in a 1,000-box batch is detected and removed.
Engineered stacking patterns ensure that the weight is evenly distributed, preventing the biscuits from being crushed during shipping. The final wrap creates a moisture-proof barrier, locking in the factory freshness for its journey across the ocean. The snap test is scientific proof of the perfect bake. Every batch must break at the exact same pressure to ensure customer satisfaction. Moisture is the enemy of shelf life. We maintain levels below 2% to keep that oven-fresh crunch for months. The readout is stabilizing at 1.25%, logging this to the central database now. We analyze the fat content to ensure the natural coconut oils are evenly distributed for that rich, tropical flavor profile. Technology provides the data, but the human palate is the final judge of the perfect coconut to butter ratio.
Now for the bubble test.
Our bubble test ensures every pack is 100% airtight, locking out humidity from the outside world.
Dry as a bone, no leaks.
Perfect, let's certify it. With the lab's seal of approval, the batch is cleared for global distribution. The final layers of protection are applied, wrapping the tropical freshness in a durable, shelf-ready shield. Digital labeling connects the factory to the retailer, allowing for real-time inventory management across the globe. Our smart warehouse keeps the biscuits at a constant 18 degrees Celsius, preserving the delicate coconut oils until the moment of dispatch. Precision in the factory ends with precision in the dock, ensuring the supply chain remains unbroken. And that is how millions of perfect, crunchy coconut biscuits are made every single day. All right, the next shipment is on its way out.